Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Z-Face and I'm back with another eyeshadow tutorial and lip tutorial. So I'm going ahead into my eyeshadow brush to just blend the foundation that I had already on my eyes. Then next I'll use my exclusive concealer to go ahead and highlight my eyelids just to make my eyeshadow pop more. So after blending all of that, I'm going to go into my Princessa Ateka eyeshadow palette. This palette is very pigmented. Then I'm going to use this dark red color. I'm going to leave the shade name down below and this flat eyeshadow blending brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and pat that onto my eyes. So I'm trying to form a crease, but not really a sharp crease, but I'm just forming like the part in which I'm going to be working in. So after doing that, I'm going to go ahead into this light red, and I'm just going to pack that onto the middle part of my eyes just to make that eyeshadow, pop. Okay, and I'll go ahead to continue blending the harsh lines that I have on my eyes. So to blend that even more, I'll be using this orange color from this same palette. I'm going to leave all the shade names down below. This palette is really beautiful, guys. So I'm just going ahead to blend out my harsh lines. So after doing that, to smudge the color under my eye, I'm going to go ahead and place my exclusive concealer under my waterline and then go into the dark red color that I have on my eyes. So just smudge that under my eyes. The concealer, the purpose of the concealer is to make the dark red color under my eyes to look more pigmented. So now that everything looks good, I'm going to go into my Blossom highlighter and I'm just going to highlight my inner tear duct, then go into my mascara and brush my eyelashes just to make them look very, very defined. I'm not going to put on my lashes, guys, because I just wanted this to be eyeshadow and lip tutorial. Then I'm going to go ahead and move on to my lips. For my lips, I'll be using my Million Pauline brown gel liner, and I'm just going to use this flat small brush to line my lips using the brow gel liner. So after doing that, I'll use this light pink Focallure lipstick, and I'm just going to place that onto the middle part of my lips, then go ahead to blend. After doing that, I'll use this gloss, this nude gloss. I forgot the name. I'm going to leave it down in the description box, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that onto my lips, okay, just to tone down that pink. So after doing that, I'll go into my lip brush again and blend in all those colors that I have there together, you know, just to make it look really, really blended in. And I think that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.